Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, one and only original, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, phony websites, trolls, or jagoffs. Alright, this is Super Mega Ultra Burgh unboxing as we open multiple items, and this comes from Caen Inc., C-A-E-N, in North Las Vegas, Nevada. So I am not, this is Amazon Prime. I'm never sure if some of these things are gifts or stuff I bought. And I've got to find, I think I'm going to step over the bin here and get a knife. Oh, this is hard to open. I keep misplacing my scissor all the time. Hold on. You need the strength of 10 men, although they're never around to help you open one of these things. It's amazing these things get here undamaged. To open, tear at perforation. What perforation? I don't see any ink and perforation. Pull the hell out of it. Oh, there we go. Alright. We got that open. And I can't read it, so I'm just going to open it up. Throw everything in this big bin. That at least saved me multiple trips to the recycling bin. Alright. I had accidentally misplaced the power cord, the other half. I had misplaced this for the 2001 Macbook. So I got another one. And that goes in there. And that will only use the 2001 MacBook, although it may be too old to be on the internet, but maybe I can do something with it. So there's the power brick and cord for the 2001 white MacBook. I knocked over cat food yesterday. I'm picking up cat food all over the place. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great afternoon. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.